Good morning, everyone. Spotify Wrapped 2025 not showing problem solved. Now, there are several ways in order to fix this issue. The first thing that you can actually try is to simply go and clear the cache. So, open your settings, then go to apps, then manage apps. Then you want to search for Spotify application on your phone. Once you search for your Spotify application, just tap on it. Then you want to go and click on clear data. So after you click on clear data, here you can see this option, clear cache. Just click on OK. And another thing that you can actually do is to uninstall the application, then reinstall it again. Or you can go to the Play Store, App Store, whatever you're using, and make sure that you have the latest update. So here I will search for Spotify. After searching for Spotify, you should tap on it and update your application. After updating it, your issue will be solved in 99%. Now open the application, and here in the middle top corner, you can see that you have this wrapped icon on the top. Now, if you still cannot find it, don't worry, click on the search icon, then search here for wrapped 2025. Tap on it, and here as you can see on the top, you can see 2025 wrapped. When you click on it, you will see also this option on the top middle of your screen. Now, if you cannot even still see it after doing all these solutions, you can simply go here in the middle bottom of your screen in the Your Library section, and you can find it just right here. And that's all, my friends. Please consider like and subscribe and support us, and see you in a new tutorial.